Can you differentiate this function in less than a minute? It may look complicated, but we can handle it easily using the chain rule and the derivative of a quotient. All right, let's do it. First, let's rewrite the function as a power of a quotient. This setup allows us to apply the chain rule. So, the function now becomes x plus 1 over x minus 1, all raised to the 99th power. Here's the chain rule in Leibniz notation. The derivative of y with respect to x equals the derivative of y with respect to u, multiplied by the derivative of u with respect to x. To determine the derivative of y with respect to u, we use the power rule, n times u raised to the power of n minus 1. Substituting the values, we get 99 times the quotient, x plus 1 over x minus 1, raised to the 98th power. On the other hand, the derivative of u with respect to x can be determined using the quotient rule. The denominator times the derivative of the numerator, u, with respect to x minus the numerator, u times the derivative of the denominator with respect to x, all over the denominator, v squared. Substituting the formula, we arrive at x minus 1 times 1 minus x plus 1 times 1, all over x minus 1 squared. Simplifying this expression, get negative 2 divided by x minus 1 squared. Now, we plug in the values of the two derivatives into the chain rule formula. We simplify by multiplying the two factors together. Finally, we arrive at the result, negative 198 times x plus 1, raised to the 98th power, all over x minus 1 raised to 100. And that's it. We have successfully differentiated the function, x plus 1 raised to 99, over x minus 1 raised to 99. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.